The Mist Reaper is a lictor of Highfleet Dagon, harrying the Orpheus salient at the forefront of its Hivemind's forces. This assassin brought the Imperial world of Xi'an to heel, utilizing the environment to its advantage. Disappearances of key military and governing officials coinciding with its appearance. Though few traces of its prey have been found, none are under any misapprehensions that another force is the perpetrator of such incidents. Lurking within the bounds of small outposts to drag its victims into the surrounding sulphurous fog, the epithet of the lictor is well attributed, as abductions have escalated with little recovered from the missing bodies. Ambushing its pursuers before blending back into the mists, this exploiter of opportune targets has eluded capture or purge ever since, with only rumors of its very existence hushed by fearful denizens of the Jericho Reach.